Okay, what's up, guys? This is Bahja. So, right now, I'm about to show you guys how I wet my hair and get my wash and go look. Right now, I am kind of detangling it with my fingers a bit, fluffing it out just to see where it has. This is my day 4 hair, so I'm gonna completely re-wet it and restyle it. So you can see me here testing the water. In the summertime, I do cold, but since it's wintertime, I do lukewarm. I just go ahead and put my whole head in the sink and start wetting it up. Make sure that you get the inside of your hair too. For me, that's a big problem. I try to get the inside of my hair wet really good. Once that's done, I just go ahead and, try to get it again. Then I get up out the sink and you'll see me go ahead and grab my t-shirt. I don't use a t-shirt to dry my hair. And I don't want to get it too dry for the product, so I still leave it a little damp. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use some conditioner and detangle it with that. You can see me using this coconut milk conditioner. I really like this. I use like a quarter size amount and I just work it on both sides of my hair. And I just go ahead and detangle. Make sure I get all through there and, make sure that the product is evenly distributed. Alright, so here's just a close-up of me doing the same thing, which is working the conditioner through my hair. You can see here that I start to use the shingling method a little bit, but for the most part, I'm just working it with my fingers. And I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes for this to be over. So during my 15 minutes, I'll just like play in it, try to do different styles. That piece of hair hit me in the face. Wow, can't believe that. But now it's time to wash it out. So when I wash it out, I normally use cold water, but for now I'm going to use lukewarm again, just because it's winter time, and I'm going to make sure that I completely wash this out. Ladies, you do not have to completely wash your conditioner out if you feel like you have typically dry hair. So this is just something I do, but you can leave your conditioner in if you want. So now I'm going to take my t-shirt and go ahead and dry my hair. I don't like to dry it too much because I feel like it kind of takes the moisture away. So this is my hair in its natural state. I'm going to use this Sense Color Radiance conditioner that I absolutely love. It works so good on my hair. And I use about 2 pumps of it. It's a pump bottle. I rub it in and then I just go ahead and start working it into my hair. You can see me raking it, using the rake method, and pretty much just detangling it, honestly. This is honestly one of the favorite parts of doing my hair. I love seeing how the product brings it to life. Okay, so I get my spray bottle and I spray. I believe that water is the only thing that will moisturize your hair completely. So I like to make sure that my hair is wet when I put my product in, and I just start working it in. And you can see like how the water is really kind of bringing the curl out once I keep, going through it. Okay, so now I'm using the shingling method. This is after I've sprayed a few times and it makes the conditioner really, really just pop out. I spray again and then I'm gonna spray the front of my hair and then I'm just gonna start working it in again and shingling it. And you can just see like how this is really helping the curls to just come out and be their best. Make sure you guys get the back of your hair really good too. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Believe In leave-in conditioner from DevaCurl. I absolutely love it. It's great. I use 2 pumps of this as well, and I just start working that in. I shingle my hair into 4 to 5 different pieces, and when I actually apply my product, I split it down the middle and I do it in 4 separate sections. So this is me spraying it once again. This again, guys, is very important. Please make sure your hair is moisturized, especially in the winter. It is so cold out and our hair tends to change with the seasons, just like our skin does and anything else. And you can see me raking it. Now I'm shingling it once again, just making sure that it's all looking awesome. Be sure to like really be looking at your hair, really make sure that it's moisturized. I can't stress that enough, ladies. I'm taking the excess product off of my hands. Okay, so this is the Inner Sense Create Hold Gel. I typically don't use gels on my hair, but I just absolutely think that this one really brings my curls out. I use a pump full and I just start to work it in my hair, and I just on my hair like this with the gel in it. It keeps the curls in my hair longer, I believe. I'm able to wear like my day 4 hair and it still looks like my day 2 hair. So now I'm just gonna completely do the same thing on this side. I'm using the Inner Sense Color Radiance Conditioner, working that in, spraying that in, making sure that it's looking all right. I spray it again. Then from there, I use the Leave-In Conditioner by DevaCurl. You can find it online. I think they sell DevaCurl products at Target and Walmart. And you just continue to spray it. This is me just working all the product in. I spray it a couple more times. As you can see, guys, I really utilize my spray bottles the most in my curly hair routine. Honestly, it's my best friend. It's the thing that keeps me going, and I love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Inner Sense Create Hold Gel and just work that in. Make sure I don't see any frizziness on my hair. I'm gonna take down both sides of my hair because my hair is completely wet. I'm just scrunching it, you know. I think we all do that. After we get done washing our hair, we do the makes that noise. And this is my hair completely wet with all the product in. Every girl has that stupid middle part that her mom gave her from getting her hair done. But for the most part, this is my hair completely moisturized and wet. Okay. So now that this is done, I'm going to go ahead and start doing my baby hairs. You can see that I'm using the toothbrush. I'm just kind of going in. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. This is something just that I typically choose to do before I start the whole diffusing process. So now I'm going to take this blow dryer with my diffuser attachment. I've had this blow dryer since I was a little girl. It's a legacy, I guess. I don't even know the brand. My mother bought it. Okay, so with my hair, I put my hair on top of the diffuser attachment first. And I just kind of let the ends dry a little bit like this, how I'm doing, before I really start the method that we all know, where I flip over and just diffuse it the regular way. And this step is super duper important to me, guys. I diffuse for my hair to be damp, not dry. You don't want to take too much of that moisture out of there. But again, since it's winter time and it's cold out where I am, I think that this works best for me not to be sick. And it just really gives me amazing curls when I do it. So I absolutely love it. You can do this as many times as you want to, really. This is super important to me. Once again, you can see me looking in the mirror, trying to make sure that I'm not making it frizzy, that I'm just making it, you know, damp, not dry, because you never want it to be dry. I like to let my hair just air dry the whole day. So I'll go out, do whatever I have to do, and my day 2 hair is always my best hair. I don't know if anybody can relate to that, but that's my experience. Okay, y'all, and this is my hair when it's done and completely dry. It's full of volume. The curls are super defined. You can see that I obviously have some damaged pieces, but for the most part, it looks great. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel below.